The 110-volt Handheld Welder Machine IG-120A features a versatile welding output range from 20 to 120 amperes, which can be easily adjusted using a simple knob for precision work. Designed to accommodate welding rods from 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch, this machine ensures smooth arc starts and enhances the welding pool's appearance. Weighing only 3.2 pounds, this portable welder is ideal for tasks requiring one-handed operation, especially in elevated locations. Included with the welding machine are essential accessories, such as a welding ground wire, helmet, brush, carrying case, gloves, and 10 welding rods, providing a comprehensive welding kit. The welder's lightweight and compact design make it a practical choice for both hobbyists and professionals, offering exceptional convenience during transport and use. With a focus on customer satisfaction, the manufacturer provides a guarantee and responsive customer service to address any issues encountered during use.